Hello everyone, I am very excited to do this unboxing of Dell's Precision Data Science Workstation 7750. So we had a meeting with the NVIDIA and Dell team, and this is a loaner from Dell to support my deep learning and AI related work. And I'll also like to take this opportunity to thank all the viewers of this channel who helped to reach a milestone of 30,000 subscribers. It has been an interesting journey so far, and it has enabled me to connect with the people from more than 150 countries. So interactions have included people who just want to get started with data science or business analytics or AI, and also people who are working on some projects, PhD, and professionals working in industries. In fact, projects such as the recent Advanced Deep Learning book and my current interaction with the teams from NVIDIA and Dell is basically due to deep learning and AI related work on this YouTube channel. So thanks very much. In the box, we have mainly three items. One is this power cord, and then we have this 240 watt AC/DC adapter, and then of course this laptop. So this is 7750 Data Science Workstation by Dell. So if you look on the right side, we have this SD card reader, universal audio jack, and then two USB ports, also this cable lock. And if you look behind, we have this mini DP, we have HDMI and RJ45, and also this is for power. On the left, you are going to see two Thunderbolt Type C, and then there is a USB and also smart card reader. So this workstation has 17.3-inch display and comes with the 64 GB memory, and also includes NVIDIA Quadro RTX 5000 with 16 GB GDDR6. I am very excited to get started with this. So my plan is to make use of some of the deep learning models that I used in Advanced Deep Learning with R book recently, and make use of this workstation to take those models at the next level for deep learning models such as GAN, autoencoders, LSTM, both for computer vision and NLP related problems. So I hope to share with you some of the results very soon on the channel, and see you soon. Thanks.